So welcome to my channel. Please subscribe my channel and share the videos. Before we're looking to the Bitcoin price, we're looking to the Turkish Lira, especially the Germans blame the Turkish Lira a little bit and say, okay, the Turkish Lira is going to the downside and has no value and blah blah. Yeah, and I look to the chart and I have a different opinion. The reason is if I look to the chart, a massive movement to the upside will come. So the Germans, they laughing here at the moment, but not think that they will laughing here to the, if the price is going to these levels here. I show you the reason why the price of the Turkish lira will explode. That means for people who not understand this chart, one at the moment is one Turkish lira 0.004 dollar. Yeah, that means if the Turkish lira goes to one here to this level, that means one Turkish lira is $1. Yeah. So, and then you can see from the chart, from chart technical point of view, I see that we will see in 2027 that one Turkish lira is, let me look, calculate here, that we're going to $2.20. That means, let me look, one Turkish lira is then $2.20. Yeah, you can see really good rising. It can happen because if the US government start the printing money, yeah, or start printing money, then it can happen that the value of the dollar is going down, so that the Turkish lira gets here boost to the upside. Yeah. Let's look here from a technical point of view why I think that the Turkish lira will pump really hard. Let's look. We have here the situation at the moment that we have here the RSI. Let me look. The situation that we have here, oversold situation. You can see here one, two, three, and this is an aggressive formation. Yeah, if you see a chart like this, that means the price will explode. Yeah, so I calculate that we will go really hard to the upside. We're coming here to the end. So um, no matter if you take the gold chart, the Bitcoin chart, charts are charts. Yeah, so I expect here a massive movement to the upside. Yeah, like this. Then we have here a left shoulder hat and right shoulder formation. Then it will go relatively quick. Yeah, to the upside. And yes, we have here a little bit negativity, but keep in your mind that the manipulation starts here, yeah, at 2012-13 levels. That means this is what you see here is all manipulation. The manipulation hold not so long, also in the gold and the Bitcoin chart. So I think we will go relatively quick after this left shoulder hat and right shoulder, relatively quick to these levels. And then, please open your eyes if you are interested in technical analysis. If you look from this point, we have a huge left shoulder hat and the right shoulder formation. That means if we go in, this took here, let's look, nearly, let's look, 7-8 years. So 7-8 years. I don't think that will need so long because this is only manipulation. So we have to start from here. And if you take this here, then I would here add also 5-6 years. So I think if you look here exactly, then I would say the Germans will not anymore laughing about the Turkish lira because a massive movement is coming. Yeah, and this is really hot. Yeah. From chart technical point of view, if you look here, the formation, the manipulation starts from 2012. We're coming to the end. Forget that what you see here at the red. This is only manipulation. Normally the charts start from here, and we have a clear uptrend. And if you look long term, and if you measure the uptrends, then I come to these levels, $2.20, and it means one Turkish lira cost maybe in, let's look in, I would say 7 8 years, $2.20. So we're looking here to the Bitcoin price. So think, Germans, please think about the situation. Yeah, not there's a sentence. A man or a woman who laughs at the end are the better laugher. Yeah, there's a good sentence. So let's look to the Bitcoin price. I think the people who now start buying a little bit late. Let's look here to this. Maybe it's here. In my one video, maybe you can remember, I said if we're going here to these levels, yeah, then this will not hold. I said, okay. Please look to my old video, Bitcoin videos, then you know this. And exactly this is happening. You can see this place is not hold. We break the structure, make a retest, and then now you can see a really hot formation. This is jumping in my eyes. Yeah, this is so beautiful that I can say here 100% sure the price will fly. Yeah, I said this also in the past, but nobody listened. You know, you can see at these levels. I said here we will break here the structure, and now we can, or a new trend line is opening here. We will test higher levels. You know, so this will not hold. This is a really good retest. The price will jump and we will test higher levels so that we make here a really good, I would say, not a head, but a head situation. Yeah, the head is not here. So after that, the price will fly. Many of the negative people who predict here negative, they would now argument and say, okay, this was only a retest, and then we will go really hard to the downside like this. But I'm honest to you, I not see this. Yeah, so forget this. What is coming here? So from chart technical point of view, we have to fly. Yeah, and if you look and compare the uptrends and the downtrends and so on, then we can expect here a really a good 1 or 2 months, a really good uptrend. Yeah. One info that I will close. This uptrend here is, you cannot compare this with with a small pump like this. This is a really good hard pump. Have a nice day.